Listen, we're living in the most ridiculous time in human history to build wealth as a solo operator. Like, think about this for a second. One person sitting in their bedroom with just a laptop can legitimately out-earn entire companies with offices and teams and overhead. That's not hype. That's literally the reality we're in right now. AI tools, automation, content platforms, all of this stuff that used to cost tens of thousands of dollars is now either free or like $10 a month. The playing field has been completely leveled, and what that means is that in 2025, building a 6, even 7-figure business by yourself isn't some fantasy. It's actually the most realistic path forward if you just pay attention to what's working. Now, if you're wondering why you should listen to me, I'm Fred, and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit by selling high-ticket programs online. So I do know a thing or two about making money online, and that's why I'm making this video for you today. If you want to make $10,000 a month online in 2025, you don't need a team. You don't need an office. You definitely don't need investors breathing down your neck asking when they're gonna see returns. What you need is one solid offer that solves a real problem for people, and you need a way to distribute it online. That's it. And the simplest model that checks every single box for one-person operations is digital education, creating and selling high-ticket programs. So it's online courses with extra support where you help people to fix a painful problem. It requires zero overhead. There's no fulfillment headaches, no inventory sitting in some warehouse eating away at your savings. It allows for pretty much infinite scalability. When I mean infinite, I mean it's possible to scale a course business to 8, even 9 figures a year in revenue. You build the course once, you sell it forever, or at the very least for many, many years to come. One person can realistically hit $10,000 a month if they just focus on one product, one audience, and one clear solution. Honestly, stop overcomplicating making money online. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, let me tell you why courses are literally the best product you could sell in 2025. Most people still don't understand how powerful it is to monetize what you know or simply your passion. Digital products have no cost of goods. There's no shipping. There's no physical inventory that you have to manage or worry about. Once your course is built, it can be sold to an unlimited amount of people without you doing any extra work. Just think about that. Compare that to e-commerce, where you're dealing with suppliers and shipping times and customer service nightmares. Or compare it to running an agency, where you're trading time for money and dealing with clients who don't respect your boundaries. Courses and high-ticket programs don't have those problems. And beyond just the business model being fucking legendary because it's so profitable, up to 98% in profit if you do this without any team members, the demand for online education is absolutely exploding. People are desperate to learn skills that will make them more money, save them time, or improve their lives in some tangible way. They're willing to pay for clarity, for structure, for someone to just show them the path so they don't have to make all the mistakes themselves. The creator who can teach something clearly and package it in a way that makes sense and solves a painful problem for someone owns the most scalable business model available to a single person. Period. There's no close second. Now, here's where most people get stuck. And I need you to hear this because it's probably the thing holding you back right now. You think you're not qualified enough to sell high-ticket programs. You think you need to be some certified expert with a PhD or 10 years of experience before you can teach something. That is complete garbage. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the person you're trying to help. That's it. People don't buy information. They buy clarity. If you've learned how to do something that others are struggling with, even if you only learned it 6 months ago, you're already ahead of thousands of people who are searching for guidance right now. The internet is full of people who are literally just a few steps behind you. They're Googling the same questions you Googled last year. They're making the same mistakes you made. And they would pay you to help them to skip the confusion and get straight to the solution faster. Teach them what you know. Document what you've learned or are currently learning. Focus on helping someone move from point A to point B. The idea that you need to absolutely master something in every possible way before you monetize it is completely outdated. What matters is being relatable, being actionable, and being authentic. People connect with real humans who've been where they are, not with some untouchable gurus who seem perfect. And here's the cheat code nobody talks about. Your passion is actually your shortcut to consistency. Now you know me, I'll always tell you don't need to do something you're passionate about to make it. In fact, sometimes it's better you don't. That being said, the easiest business to sustain long term is one that you actually genuinely care about. When you teach a topic you actually enjoy, whether it's fitness, design, productivity, music, psychology, coding, marketing, whatever, you don't burn out. You get obsessed. Passion gives you natural energy for creating content, for doing research, for engaging with your audience. And those three things are the lifeblood of a one-person business. You can't fake that energy long term. The truth is, people don't just buy courses for the information, they buy the energy behind it too. They want to learn from someone who clearly loves what they're teaching, someone who's genuinely excited to help them win, instead of making a quick buck. The advantage of building a business around your passion isn't just emotional, it's strategic. It keeps you consistent long enough to outlast everyone who's just chasing the next trend and focusing on the cash only. While they're jumping from niche to niche trying to find what's hot, you're building a real audience because you actually care. Long term, that's how you win. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. So let's talk about the actual structure of the $10,000 a month model, because this is simpler than you think. Pick a topic you care about. Define a specific problem you can solve for these people. It could be helping somebody lose weight, for example, helping a business to earn more money. Build a clear offer, whether it's a course or a service. And then create content to attract your ideal audience. You can use short form videos on Instagram or YouTube long form videos to give free value, build trust, and drive traffic to your product. Don't overcomplicate this. All you need to make between $10,000 to $100,000 a month is one offer, one funnel, one audience. You can start making sales with barely any followers if your message is clear and the transformation you're offering is real. Once you hit product market fit, your growth becomes exponential because each new customer costs you nothing to fulfill. Every single sale is pure profit after your initial time investment. The power of this model is that everything compounds. Your content brings leads, customers. Your clients bring testimonials that attract even more people into your business. It's a flywheel, and once it starts spinning, it's almost impossible to stop. And let me tell you why 2025 is literally the perfect time to start this. Right now, the attention to monetization gap is wide open. Social media platforms are still giving organic reach to new creators. You can still blow up on TikTok, on Instagram Reels, on YouTube without spending a single dollar on ads. And AI tools are making content creation almost effortless. You can script videos, edit footage, design thumbnails, all with tools that cost basically nothing. And the audience for online learning is exploding globally. People everywhere are looking for ways to upskill, level up, and build better lives. But listen, this window won't last forever. Markets mature, competition increases, algorithms tighten up. By 2026, the course creators who started now will already own the search terms, the audiences, and the reputation in their niches. Starting in 2025 gives you a 1-year runaway before the landscape hardens and it gets significantly more difficult. I can tell you, the biggest mistake you can make right now is waiting for the right time. The right time to start your business is before everyone else realizes how good the opportunity is when it comes to selling high-ticket programs, and that time is literally now. So here's what I want you to do. Stop overthinking this. Stop waiting until you feel ready, because you will never feel ready. Pick a painful problem you can solve for other people. It can be anything. Start creating content around it today. Build an offer around it. Just put it out there. Test it, refine it. Start taking sales calls with people and see if they buy. If you do, you might just have a $10,000 per month business right there. If you'd like me to personally help you to build a profitable online business from scratch, even with limited money and time, check out the free training I made for you in the description below. You can also apply to book a call with me or a member of my team, but be quick because we have very limited spots. With that said, I'll see you on the other side.